How to buy Spotify Premium. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can buy a Spotify Premium subscription. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is download and install the Spotify application, which you can easily do from your Google Play Store. And once your Spotify application has been successfully installed into your Android device, simply tap onto the app icon in order to open the application. Now, once you're inside the Spotify application, simply click onto this premium option, and from here you will see this particular page. Now, in this particular page, you have different types of available plans depending upon your region. Now, as you can see, I have this individual plan right here, which is of around 139 rupees per month. Also, apart from that, I can also access this student plan, in which is basically a individual plan, but it has been significantly subsidized and is available at a discounted price. All you will need to do is simply verify your student ID either via email or via your college ID. Also, you have this duo plan which contains two premium accounts, and also a family plan which contains up to 6 premium accounts. So you can choose any of these premium accounts as you want. So for example, let's say if you want to choose this individual plan, you have two options, either to get premium individual or also a one-time payment. So you can choose any of these options. Let's say if I click onto this get premium individual, I will be redirected to this particular page, from where I will need to choose how I would like to pay. I can continue with Spotify, or I can also choose my Google Play credits as well. So after the payment, your premium individual plan will be successfully active on your Spotify account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.